Alright, first you want to clean your meat off. I usually just rinse it off. Towel, damp it dry. Give it a quick once over. Get any of that unwanted blood, whatever packaging, package it up there. Give it a quick dab. Quick dab dry. Once over. That's it. And you do the rest of your meats like that. And we'll come back with you with the seasoning. Okay, this is the seasoning part session of our video. Of course, you can use whatever seasoning you want, but I like accent on my steak. It really does bring out the flavor in food. According to your diet. You know, everyone has a diet plan. Stick by your diet plan, whatever your diet calls for. Okay. I like to use Adobe powder. Adobe seasoning is great on steaks. And of course, salt and pepper. You gotta have salt and pepper on your steaks. Again, season how whatever your diet is. Not too much, not too little. Just enough to make it taste great. Okay. So, you season it up, salt, dab of salt on there, and right about now our grill should be nice and hot. I use soul seasoning. Again, use whatever you need, whatever you like. Meat tenderizer is always great for those tough steaks. Grill time steak gives it that extra flavor. Okay, we'll see you at the grill. Welcome back, folks. As you see, our grill is nice and hot, and we are ready to throw these bad babies on. Nice T-bone steaks for our Mother's Day special today. Steak, potatoes, corn on the cob, beef bratwurst, beef hamburgers, baked beans, macaroni and cheese, and a few other things I prepared as our special. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrape the grill down one more time and throw these bad boys on, and we'll get back to it. This is Walt's Mother's Day cooking special, brought to you by Walter Colley, Walt's Handyman Services. And next on our Walt's Mother's Day barbecue special, we are preparing hamburgers, where I like to use Lipton's onion recipe soup dip mix. Makes a great burger. Makes a great burger. And of course, salt and pepper. You know, seasoning, salt, seasoning, whatever you like to put in it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some onions and put it inside of here. We're gonna patty this up and get this on the grill. Stay tuned. Bratwurst going. Our steaks are looking good. Next, we're gonna go in and prepare the sides. Looking pretty good there, guys. All right, stay tuned. Alright, next we're gonna do the corn. I got fresh corn here. You gotta rinse it off, of course. And today's segment is a barbecue segment, so I like to do everything a little different, but today we're gonna try to do everything on the grill. There are a couple of things that we can't do on the grill. That's a surprise for you guys, and of course for the mothers that I'm preparing this for that greatly deserve it. So you just rinse your corn off. We're gonna get the corn and the potatoes rinsed off. We're gonna get these things what I call buttered up and lathered with some seasoning and some olive oil, Italian of course. The best. Nothing but the best for these ladies. So yeah, you just rinse your corn off. Rinse everything off. I'll try to anyway. And we got 6 potatoes. So there we go. Alright. Now we're gonna get these things lathered up with some seasoning and again with extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna get these things lathered up, wrapped up, and we're gonna get those ready for the grill, and we'll see you on the next one. Whew, okay, now our meat's done, of course. We got our sides rubbed down with olive oil and seasoning and stuff like that. We got our red and yellow and orange peppers and onions wrapped up, ready to put on the grill. And yeah, this is Walt's Mother's Day barbecue special. Looks good, doesn't it? This program was brought to you by Walt's Handyman Services. For all your handyman needs, go ahead and look me up on Facebook. That's Walt's Handyman Services. Okay, let's get these vegetables on the grill, and let's get the other side dishes going on the pot. The mac and cheese and the beans and stuff like that. And next will be the dessert. Stay tuned. Okay, so I had to kind of speed up the process here because I'm running out of time. They are on their way back from church, and dinner is almost ready, but not ready. I have, of course, a cauliflower blend, baked beans, and we're about to start our Velveeta liquid cheese. I know it's the fast way, cheap way, but I gotta get this thing going. So yeah, follow the directions on any of the side items that you prepare for your foods. Add any extra things that you would like for your taste buds, of course, and stay tuned as we're gonna go out and check on our other side, our corn and our potatoes, and we're gonna get started on dessert. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. This was brought to you by Walt's Handyman Services for all your handyman services needs. Also Altman's. If you need anything as far as hardware to fix your house, check out Altman's. They're located on Virginia Avenue here in Fairmont, West Virginia, 26554. Thank you. Okay, our other side vegetables are coming along great. Corn and potatoes, peppers and onions. So head on inside and get dessert started. Walt's Mother's Day barbecue special.